Imagine a world where the brushstrokes of Rembrandt can be replicated by an algorithm, where Picasso's bold abstractions are reimagined by machines, and where entirely new art styles are born, not from the minds of human creators, but from lines of code. Welcome to the era of AI art, a realm where creativity meets computation, and the boundaries of artistic innovation are pushed to the extreme. But with every groundbreaking leap comes the inevitable question: should artists be worried? Or is this just another evolution in the ever-changing landscape of art? This is a thought-provoking look at how AI is changing the art world. From data to masterpiece. Once upon a time, art was a sacred human pursuit. Cave walls became canvases, and brushes brought visions to life. But today, art is increasingly shaped by algorithms. The journey began in the 20th century with experimental digital art. But it wasn't until recent years that AI truly started painting outside the lines. Take the 2018 sale of Portrait of Edmund de Bellamy at Christie's, an AI-generated piece that sold for $432,500. It wasn't created by human hands, but by a machine trained on thousands of classical portraits. It marked a turning point. AI art was no longer just an experiment. It was a player in the fine art world. And it's not just auction houses where AI is flexing its creative muscles. Look at platforms like DALL-E or Mid-Journey, where anyone with an internet connection can conjure up anything from a cyberpunk unicorn to a Renaissance-style portrait of their cat. The accessibility is exhilarating, and maybe a little terrifying. Suddenly, it feels like the Mona Lisa could have competition from a bot named Lisa.x. The pixels behind the paint. AI art may seem like magic, but behind the curtain is a highly resource-intensive process. Training an AI model requires enormous amounts of data and computing power, consuming energy on a scale that's anything but eco-friendly. If the Sistine Chapel had been painted by an AI, Michelangelo would have needed a carbon offset program instead of a scaffold. Then there's the data itself, often scraped from existing artworks without the original creator's consent. Picture this. You're an artist who spent years developing a distinctive style, only to find out an AI trained on your work is now spitting out knockoffs that rival your originals.
What?
For human artists, this raises ethical and financial concerns. What happens when an AI generates a work that mimics their style? Is it homage, theft, or something in between? As one digital artist put it, it's like watching a machine take credit for your life's work. And worse, it's doing it faster and cheaper than you ever could. The people behind the algorithms. Coders, creators, critics. Behind every piece of AI art is a team of developers, data scientists, and sometimes even traditional artists. These are the people training the machines, curating datasets, and fine-tuning algorithms to create something that resonates. But even they grapple with the philosophical questions AI art raises. Can something created by an algorithm truly have meaning? Or is it just a mathematical imitation of human creativity? One coder compared it to creating Frankenstein's monster, but instead of assembling body parts, they're piecing together brushstrokes and textures. It's exciting, they said, but also a little unsettling. You don't know whether you've made art or just a really convincing imposter. The debate: art or artifact? For some, AI art represents the democratization of creativity. It lowers barriers, allowing anyone with access to technology to generate visually stunning works.
How? Hold on, bro. How?
You don't need a studio, years of training, or even opposable thumbs. Just an idea and an internet connection. That's the beauty of it. For others, it's a hollow imitation, devoid of the soul and intent that define true artistry. Imagine visiting a gallery where every piece was generated by a machine. Would you be inspired, or would it feel like you were walking through the world's most expensive screensaver? And then there's the luxury market, where AI art has found a curious niche. Collectors are drawn to its novelty, to the idea of owning something created by cutting-edge technology. But at what cost? The environmental toll, the ethical dilemmas, and the displacement of traditional artists all cast a shadow over the glittering promise of AI. Because let's face it, gold-plated GPUs and server farms don't exactly scream sustainable creativity. So where does this leave us? Can AI and human artists coexist? Or are we headed for a creative clash? Some see a middle ground, where AI becomes a tool for artists rather than a competitor. Imagine a painter using machine learning to explore new techniques, or a sculptor collaborating with an algorithm to push the boundaries of form. Others envision a more divisive future, where AI art floods the market, making it harder for human creators to compete. The question isn't just about economics, it's about value. Do we, as consumers, value the human touch in art, or are we content with machine-made perfection? It's also about innovation. Historically, every technological leap in art, from photography to Photoshop, has been met with skepticism. But over time, these tools didn't replace artists, they empowered them. Will AI follow the same trajectory, or is this a Pandora's box we'll wish we hadn't opened? As the digital canvas continues to evolve, the fate of art and artists rests in the hands of its audience. Will we celebrate the possibilities of AI, or will we demand safeguards to protect human creativity? The truth is, AI art isn't just about technology. It's about us, our values, our choices, and our vision for the future of creativity. So, should artists be worried? Maybe. But perhaps the better question is, how can we shape this future together? Because at the end of the day, art, whether human-made or machine-generated, is about connection. And that's something no algorithm can ever truly replicate. What do you think? Is AI art the future or the end of art as we know it? Share your thoughts below.